Oh yes, I am on a pasta kick right now. We're gonna do cheesy garlic, bacon, and sausage carbonara. You ready? Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's do a roll call. Right here, we have our sausage back here. I have some smoked andouille sausage right here. We have eggs right here. We got some bacon, some heavy whipping cream, butter, some Italian cheese blend right here. So I have some Parmesan, I have mozzarella, and I have some provolone cheese right up in here. This is about a cup total. We have some garlic. We have some more Parmesan cheese here, red chili flakes, salt, pepper, and I just said the butter. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, before we get started, I forgot to mention we have our spaghetti pasta here. So we are gonna use some spaghetti pasta for this one here. So let's go ahead and get started. We wanna make sure that your butter is softened like here. So the only thing we're gonna do is gonna take our butter and we're gonna get that baby whipped up, mixed up into like a cream consistency. All right, guys, so something looks like that. All right, we're just gonna sit this aside. We're gonna bring over our eggs right here into the shot. So we're gonna take a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, just a half a cup, and we're gonna put it here in our egg, and we're gonna get at a mix. And in similar fashion, we're just gonna sit this aside also. All right, now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna turn that heat up a little bit. We wanna make sure we get this pan heated up, and we're gonna start preparing our bacon first. So let's start adding our bacon. Guys, I got my bacon cut up into like 1/4 of an inch pieces. This is like a half a pound of bacon. Of course, you guys can leave the bacon out if you don't eat bacon, or you can use turkey bacon, whatever that is. I firmly believe there's no such thing as turkey bacon. And we're gonna cook this until it's nice and slightly crispy. All right, so it looks like we're coming up on the final lap with our bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the heat. And what I'm gonna do is remove it. The bacon, we're gonna put it in a dish, set it aside so we can start cooking our sausage. Okay, so now we're gonna unpause our heat now that we removed our bacon, and we're just gonna start cooking our sausage. And guys, remember, go ahead and start cooking your pasta according to the box instructions while you're doing your sausage and your bacon. And we're gonna cook these sausages until they're, brown on both sides. We're head down the final stretch with our sausage right now. And we're gonna do the same thing here in about 30 seconds. We're gonna remove our sausage and we're gonna continue with the recipe. So we're gonna pause this and I'm gonna start removing our sausage. All right, guys, so we have our sausage here. I'm gonna sit that aside. And what we're gonna do now is just remove half our bacon and sausage grease here. We don't wanna remove all of it because there's some flavor in that. Let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna let this oil kind of come back up to temperature. We're gonna start adding our garlic and we're gonna get this cooked in for about 45 seconds to a minute. Of course, we're not trying to overcook our garlic, so you don't want your heat too high. Now we're gonna stir in our red chili flakes. Yes, it's smelling good now. And what we're gonna do now is add back in our bacon along with our sausage. And we're gonna get this moved around in here. All right, so now that we have this mixed in, we're gonna take our cream. We're gonna add that here. And we're gonna bring this to a simmer. Now we're not trying to reduce this down. We just wanna bring it to a simmer, keep it warm until our pasta is done. And our pasta is almost done at the moment. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to pause our heat here. We're gonna remove this from our cooktop. I'm going to bring over our pan. All right, so we're gonna take our drained pasta. We're gonna add it here to back into our pot. We're gonna take our egg mixture We're gonna add that to it. And now the heat from our pot being hot and our pasta is gonna cook those eggs. And you're gonna add your buttercream here too. And what you're gonna do is you wanna start getting this mixed up like this. And now we're gonna come across that with our sausage, garlic, and bacon mixture. Guys, take a look at that. And we're gonna get that mixed around in there too. Man, this is looking phenomenal. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our our pepper here, and we're gonna give it a little salt. And then we're gonna get it moved around in here real quickly. Then we're gonna take our remaining cheese. We have our Parmesan here, add it, and our Italian cheese blend. Add some of that right now before we get it all mixed up. All right, we're gonna add some more, our Italian cheese blend. And we're gonna get this mixed in. And guys, this is what we have. So let me go ahead and get this plated up onto a cutting board so we can look at our final presentation and go into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy garlic, sausage, and bacon carbonara, or either carbonara, however you want to call it. Either way, it is delicious. It looks delicious. We haven't tasted it yet. So I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. If you like this recipe, leave a comment about this recipe in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and get into quality control because we're ready to try it out. I know we are. Let's go. All right, so we are back in here for quality control, guys, and this is the day that my mic RIP got. I dropped it in some dishwater, and that's why there's no audio. I thought it was working, but it's not. So anyway, take a look at this pasta, man. You guys gonna love it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of it, and guys, just take a look at my face. Oh man, this pasta was delicious. Guys, you definitely gotta try it. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know this is all wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I am out. Peace.